I'm Kristen.
I'm JP.
And we're part of the Syrup Shop. We were asked to share with you a recipe that we love making. So today we have a super easy, super cozy recipe. That's our butter instant ramen omelette.
Yes.
It is, yeah, it's very good. It's very flexible, so you can adapt it to any of your dietary preferences. But essentially, this is a really fun dish that we like to make sort of like anytime for like
After a night out dancing.
for breakfast.
Pandemic.
You could have it as a snack. You can kind of eat it anytime you want, but it is very much like pandemic pantry recipe. All of the ingredients that we're using today are likely things that you probably have at home.
Yeah. You can choose your favorite own ramen, whatever protein, sausage, or anything you have in your
fridge. We also sort of like lightweight tested to see if this is really true. We're at our best friend's place right now, house sitting, and we even did a check to see, do they have all of these ingredients? And so we snooped around their kitchen and they definitely have these things. So it's likely you already have all of these things in your kitchen, so you can cook alongside with us.
It's very flexible.
Yeah, and it's less than 20 minutes. So this is especially great when you've had like a long day, or you just like don't really have time to even wait for delivery, and you want something just comforting to, I don't know, hug you like a warm blanket. So I'm gonna do some narration and JP's gonna do some cooking. So hope you're excited.
Let's go.
You're gonna need our instant ramen, protein of your choice. Here we have some skinless spicy longanisa, and then you're gonna need 4 eggs, or a good replacement is just eggs. We've definitely made it with that as well. Some shredded cheese. We've removed the ramen packet, and it's right here. Green onions, 2 tablespoons of butter, but you're gonna use them for 2 separate things, so we've separated them here. Mushrooms, because we love mushrooms, but you can use any vegetable you want. And same with tomatoes, you can also use any vegetable you want. So the first thing you're gonna do is prepare the ramen.
So this is what we found. Gin ramen, spicy.
We actually found this in my parents' garage.
So we'll try it out. First time having it.
Shout out to Costco, but usually we use the Shin spicy ramen.
Wow.
So you're gonna put only half of the seasoning packet inside. Okay.
We're doing only half because we want to season the noodles. So, you know, they're not too plain. We still have some flavor.
Okay.
All right, now we have some boiling water.
You're gonna put the butter. So you're gonna put the butter first also.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. And put it like that first before you put the boiling water, because the boiling water will melt the butter. And so this will make your noodles buttery.
Buttery.
Bet you guessed it in your head.
All right.
Let's hopefully we don't spill. You think you got it?
I got it.
You think you got it?
I'm gonna fill this up to the line.
Are you okay? So you're just gonna want to follow whatever the packaging instructions say for whichever your ramen preference is.
Push that butter down.
Mix it all around. Okay, cool.
Over that.
And you're gonna let that sit. This package says 4 minutes.
Set a timer for 4 minutes.
Or, you know, get your favorite 4-minute song on. While your ramen is working for 4 minutes, you want to get your pan on, what is this, medium heat? So a good way to tell is it going to sizzle?
Soft sizzle.
Soft sizzle.
Soft sizzle.
Soft sizzle, we had sizzle on our playlist. So we are first putting down our protein. This is our skinless spicy longanisa, and you're going to let that cook How do you call this?
Render out, get some fatty oil into the pan, and brown.
Yeah, and so again, you can use whatever preferred protein you like in your omelets. You can use smart ground, impossible meat, chorizo. We also have this field roast has a really great chipotle sausage that's plant-based. Yeah, whatever floats your boat. The last time we made this, we also made it with Sam.
So good.
I don't know how to do that, but if you know how to do that, go ahead and flip that sausage.
Browning nicely.
See all that crisping? You're gonna want to get it roughly to that texture. It's like kind of caramelizing. That's gonna be those little flavor bursts when you're eating it with the omelet. We love butter. So you're gonna add your second tablespoon of butter. And then you're also going to add some mushrooms if you like mushrooms, or you can use other veggies like broccoli, and let that all cook down. It's like a nice little pool party in there. Butter pool party. Just kidding, it's not really pooling, but you know what I mean. It's like a dance party right there. I miss going dancing. Roughly looking like this, caramelized. You are going to add the tomatoes and also cook that down just a little bit. You don't want them to get super mushy or anything, but cook them down. Looking lovely. You're going to transfer it into this whole container. And you're going to set this aside for just a smidge of amount of time. Take your egg mixture. This is 4 eggs, or you can again use a substitute of just egg. And we scrambled it a little bit, and now you're gonna add in the remaining half of the ramen seasoning packet and mix and mix and mix and mix. Okay,
Right,
great.
so you see in the pan, there's like some underneath the fat, some leftover butter.
There's a lot of flavor in that pan. We're gonna add more flavor to it. Okay, so you're gonna put the whole egg mixture in there. You're going to let it. Okay. No sayang.
Get all that eggy goodness.
All that seasoning. Yum yum. Okay. So you're gonna let that cook a bit. Oh my goodness.
Alright, so we lower the heat a little bit.
Yeah, that's actually very key. Lower down the heat so that the egg has some time to slowly cook. I tried to make this before and definitely left the pan at medium, and I burned my eggs. Any tips besides be patient?
Be patient. Check the sides. Oh, that's not sides. So you want to pull them to sides.
Or that timer, that's for something else. We've also got lasagna in the oven.
Just pull them to sides so that it's a nice foundation.
So you're gonna just keep doing that a bit of like seeing a side that's cooked and then pushing some of the uncooked egg under it. Some of that juice. Again, do that same technique of finding a cooked edge and pushing some of your uncooked egg mixture so that, again, you can get all of it cooked. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. We're really just going for getting it done. Now we're getting ready for my favorite ingredient, cheese.
Yeah, so So it's good when it looks a little under. I mean, there's still some egg that's a little under, but it'll cook. Let's ensure that it doesn't overcook. So I'm gonna spread some cheese. Just to have it like, you know, nice flavor all around.
Now your lovely, beautiful ramen is done. It was probably done, honestly, like 4 minutes ago. Okay, so now you're gonna take some of those noodles and you're gonna put them into your egg. Like so. You're probably not gonna use the full ramen package amount.
You could eat the ramen
on the side if you want. But that's roughly how much we like to put in ours. But you know, again, we said it was flexible. Put in as much ramen as you want. And then after that, you're going to add a bit more cheese. And that's going to be the binder for like your other ingredients. And then you're gonna put that same kind of like meat mixture in there. Yummy. And just spread it around. And if you have any more cheese left over, or you just really love cheese like we do, put all the rest of it in there. Yum. Now we're ready to plate. So you're gonna scoot your omelet to the edge of your pan, just, you know, to roughly where your plate is, and then you're gonna fold it over. We definitely filled this one up. Oh, and you're gonna, there you go. She looks beautiful. Put a little bit of green onion on top. And then, in case you don't know about our sauces, we have 2 sauces that we've made in-house that are sort of our signature sauces. We have a spicy sauce called eye sauce, and also a, oh, there she is, eye sauce, stocked in our best friend's home. And also another sauce, a aioli garlic sauce. These are both plant-based and gluten-free. Shameless plug. So, you know, we're gonna drizzle some of this on top of our omelet because we really like them. And then normally you can put the green onions before, after. But again, there's like no wrong way to do it. So just drizzle, drizzle. If you like some spice. And then same thing with the aioli. Oh wow, just thick. Yum. And then you can put any other toppings that you might be finding at your home or your friend's home if you're also sort of like creepily house sitting. I'm pretty sure that our friends Bud and Jeffrey have some furikake or sesame seeds here. They do. So we're gonna add some furikake seasoning just on top for a little bit extra seasoning and garnish. And that's it. Okay, JP's super excited to cut into this. You wanna see what it looks like? I do. So again, you know, this is really just like our style of home cooking where
it's crazy.
It's
let's try this out.
Ramen omelette.
I'm trying this ramen one.
Is it good? You love it?
That's good.
Approved.
Yum.
Delicious.
Wow.
Okay, very rarely do I see you go for a second bite that fast.
Impressed.
Cheesy, carby, very satisfying.
This is good. I mean, I don't know. Need some more.
Oh, so that's it. Again,
Don't be scared. It looks crazy.
it's really approachable. And again, you can use whatever ingredients you have. Other ways that we've made this, we've put like baby corn in the can, corned beef. Just like whatever you have at home, this is basically what you can make and put together. So thanks again for tuning in, and wow, are you gonna save any for me?
That's good. I'm sorry.
Okay. So anyways, yeah, just again, thanks again for tuning in and being open to seeing
style of
one
cooking.
of our syrup shop recipes. We hope you enjoy this lovely, lovely treat meal from our kitchen, our best friend's kitchen, to yours. We hope you like it.
Hope you like it.